See your Radebe on fame, I am not a leader, I am just trying not to be broke. Comedian and actor Simphiwe Radebe has questioned people's obsession with fame and warned about social media influencers who are actually not influencing anything. Sia, like many of us, had seen a viral video of a man speaking about how influencers were not actually influencing anyone's life for good. The star was so touched by the video that he shared it on his Instagram page this week, alongside his own experience with fame. He recounted how he had once been approached for an interview and when he arrived for it, asked the person why they had chosen him. She said, "I am a leader. I told her that I was not a leader. I am just a man with questions, and one of my first questions was who did she think I was leading and where am I leading them to?" He said the woman changed the subject, but the thought stuck with him. And while he is known for his roles on TV and his comedy, he doesn't see himself as a leader or influencer. Dude is just trying to break out of poverty and feed his family. "I barely know how to run my own life. I make do with what I can. I am not a leader. I am a man who knows for a fact that he is from the township, most of his family is broke, and if he does not try his best whenever opportunity shows itself, he will end up hungry and poor like most of his family or like most people from the surroundings he comes from." He went on to warn about so-called influencers and said it sometimes influences BS. We throw these words around: leader, influencer, king, queen, and many more that I can't think of right now. It's crazy. Sometimes I think all I am is a man who has been given talents by the gods or the ancestors to help me stay sane, put food in my stomach, roof over my head, help my family and stay alive.